Building AI applications on free-tier APIs invariably hits the same wall. You dispatch a high-volume request, and the pipeline instantly collapses under an HTTP 429 too many requests error. The major AI laboratories distribute free-tier access to incentivize development, but the ecosystem is heavily fragmented. Because these allowances are isolated by strict quotas, disparate schemas, and different authentication protocols, a single free tier provides limited utility for sustained application deployment. The math, however, offers us a solution. If you take those isolated allowances from across 16 distinct AI providers and mathematically aggregate them into a single unified pool, the constraints vanish. Combining these disparate quotas generates a continuous working capacity of approximately 1.7 billion tokens every single month. That mathematical aggregate is the operational foundation of FreeLLMAPI. It functions as a piece of localized middleware designed to homogenize this fractured landscape. Constructing a proxy to handle this volume requires solving three specific engineering problems. The architecture demands zero-trust security to secure the external credentials, real-time schema translation to unify the endpoints, and strict mathematical constraints to process vector spaces without corrupting the downstream database. By mathematically stacking these isolated free tiers behind a stateful router, engineers eliminate the single point of failure inherent in free-tier application development. To route payloads across multiple networks, the proxy requires the actual API keys for all 16 providers. Storing a collection of highly privileged credentials in plain text on a local disk exposes the host to severe credential exfiltration, risking massive downstream costs. FreeLLMAPI enforces a strict zero-trust mandate to solve this risk. Upstream provider keys are never persisted in plain text within the application's memory or its database. Every key is enveloped using the AES-256-GCM encryption algorithm, seeded by a 32-byte string. The authentication tag ensures integrity against chosen ciphertext attacks. Decryption happens dynamically in memory, milliseconds before dispatching an outbound request. Immediately post-dispatch, the decrypted plaintext falls out of scope, subject to garbage collection. This fleeting, millisecond-long decryption lifecycle ensures that even if an adversary fully compromises the host machine's persistent storage, the user's underlying billing profiles remain completely protected. With the credentials secured, the software deploys with a highly optimized memory footprint. Running as a unified Docker container, it consumes approximately 40 megabytes of memory while listening on port 3001. Client applications interface with the proxy without complex integrations. Developers simply override their standard OpenAI base URL parameter to target the localhost instance instead of the open internet. From that single endpoint, the proxy's homogenization layer absorbs all structural friction, ensuring the client application's core logic stays entirely unmodified. If an application sends a standardized OpenAI tool calling schema, the proxy dynamically auto-translates it on the fly into bespoke native functional declarations, mapping directly into proprietary formats like Google Gemini structure. It utilizes specialized content negotiation to handle the distinct Anthropic Messages API. When the router detects the Anthropic version header, it restructures its payload response to mirror Anthropic's specific geometric shape. This native translation layer allows client applications to seamlessly execute complex multimodal features like computer vision analysis and tool calling across diverse providers using one uniform protocol. Relying on a static fallback chain to manage multiple providers introduces a severe latency penalty. If the router passively waits for a request to fail on an exhausted endpoint, the user experiences significant delay. FreeLLMAPI bypasses this with an internal rate limit ledger. Backed by SQLite, this in-memory counter continuously tracks requests and tokens per minute against the known quotas of every upstream key. Simultaneously, a background telemetry service proactively probes the API keys. It classifies each provider as completely healthy, or rate-limited, or totally invalid, long before a live request is dispatched. This diagram illustrates the system topology and failover flow. Failover triggers if the ledger detects mathematical exhaustion, or a live payload hits a 429 error at step 3. The logic engine locally intercepts the failure, instantly redispatching the payload to the next healthy provider for seamless success. Swapping models mid-task introduces a secondary challenge, known as cognitive whiplash. Because different large language models interpret context differently, an abrupt shift from a Mistral architecture to a Google architecture can break conversational alignment. To resolve this, administrators can enable context handoff. During a failover event, the proxy programmatically injects an explicit system message into the payload, notifying the newly selected model that it is inheriting an ongoing task midstream. By pairing proactive ledger tracking with contextual bridging, the router seamlessly handles failover within the local proxy, keeping the entire process localized and hidden. This minimizes the structural deviations and reasoning shifts typically caused by switching between disparate models. Text generation allows for conversational fluidity between differing models, but generating vector embeddings demands extreme mathematical rigidity. Embeddings translate semantic meaning into high-dimensional floating-point vectors. Different AI models project this meaning into distinct, fundamentally incompatible spatial geometries. The dimensional constraints map highlights spatial discrepancies. Failing over from a 3072-dimension Google model to a 1024-dimension BGE-M3 model irreparably corrupts downstream spatial algorithms. To prevent database corruption, the endpoint enforces family-based routing, categorically refusing cross-pollination to ensure failed requests route only to identically dimensioned providers. By actively enforcing mathematical constraints over raw availability, the system guarantees absolute data integrity within the user's vector architecture. There is one final operational friction to resolve. The free AI tier landscape is extremely volatile. Upstream providers frequently alter their context window dimensions and adjust rate limits without warning. A static local database would quickly become obsolete. To maintain accuracy, the router executes a cryptographic Jetalog synchronization process that continuously updates its internal model definitions. Twice a day, the local proxy server pings the primary global index. It downloads newly released models, updated quota expectations, and structured instructions called provider quirk fixes, which dictate how to handle non-standard HTTP behaviors. To protect the host environment from malicious routing instructions, every incoming payload goes through a strict supply chain safeguard. The local machine rigorously verifies the catalog's cryptographic signature against a pinned ED-25519 public key before modifying the local SQL database. This synchronization process exclusively modifies the global baseline. User-defined routing hierarchies and manual configuration overrides are perpetually sandboxed, ensuring custom setups are never overwritten. The final architecture combines AES-GCM persistence, an optimized Node.js event loop, and mathematically constrained routing intelligence into a single 40-megabyte footprint. The free LLM ATI framework effectively bridges a fractured ecosystem, consolidating isolated free tiers into a unified 1.7 billion token pipeline. This provides a more resilient alternative to single provider development, while maintaining the strict privacy of a self-hosted architecture.